So, what's going on? This is like the clearest walk around of after the whole bodywork that was done. This is like a complete walk around I'm gonna do right now of the S2000 and how it's currently standing. This was the side that was repaired, the driver's side, and I'm just gonna go around and show how freaking sweet this looks. The whole car was painted, but yeah. There we go. Looks nice. The reason why I haven't been able to really like go anywhere with it yet is because I still have to order, well, not order, but I have to buy one seat, a driver's seat, and I have to like arrange the kick panel over there, and I have the airbag right there. Let's see, got the airbag right there. All right, so move that hardtop into a better place. So that's the update. Need a seat for this car. I need to get a seat, and here's the NV exhaust seat. Couple things going on, but I'm working on this BMW real quick. Let me do the engine bay and just show real quick the engine bay. No one. Let me see how clean this engine bay looks. Bam. This is AP2 2006. This shit is nice. It's really a shame that I haven't really drove in it a lot yet, right? All right, well, that's the engine bay. All right, peace out, guys.